Hey guys, and welcome to a new behind the scenes photo shoot that I had with Tia. I'm gonna put her link in the description if you want to check her out and see what she's about. This shoot was so unplanned and it happened whilst I was shooting for a client. So David was using her phone to take pictures of Tia, and I quickly walked to them and said, yo, I want to do the same photo shoot that you guys are doing, just around the same place that we're at, and they all agreed to shoot. After my photo shoot, I grabbed my gear, my 24-35, my 85 1.8, and in about 30 minutes we were done shooting, and this was completely shot with natural light. I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the behind the scenes and also leave some raw images at the end of the video, as well as my camera settings, just in case you want to know the settings I use in taking those photos. If you're new here, thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and if you found this interesting, please leave a like or a comment or both, and subscribe whilst you're at it. And if you're an existing subscriber, thanks for making this a growing community, and I'll see you guys in the next video.